Hi guys, this is another video, really easy, just to show you how to actually change a belt. So really easy. When you come here, you will have that cover on the X3. So in order to change the belt, the only thing you have to do is unscrew the little screw right here. From there, you will have that cover. You will unscrew all the little screws that comes here around. And then you will use the Can-Am tool. So Can-Am should provide you this specific tool. So if you have this, just screw it in the middle. It doesn't need to be tight. Then you put that little screw right there, you put it in it, and then the only thing you will have to do is really easy with a socket, turn it on, make sure you screw it in. Once you screw it in, it will open the belt, the clutch. And once it opens the clutch, you can take the old belt if you have one, or if you have a belt that broke. It's really easy. Take all the debris out, and then the only thing we need to do now is open the clutch. So we will tie up this really tight, really hard, and then once it's tight, we will place the belt and close it out. So let me show you right now. What we will do is we will open this. We will turn this on, so close it, so we can open the clutch and be able to slide the belt in. Another thing that we need to pay attention is that here you will see it says rotation. So you make sure that this goes to the front. So that needs to be taken care of. So basically what it means, it will go like this. So that's, make sure that the arrows it turns this way. So make sure that you are actually putting it in the right place. Next is what you're gonna first put the clutch completely inside on the left side. So with the primary, put it all the way in, and then from there, really easy, you push here, and then it's gonna, at some point, it's gonna roll out and get in. Easy. Now that it's inside, the belt's gonna be there. What we're gonna do is really easy. It's unscrew this bolt, and you will see everything is gonna be tied up. Once you put the cover back, make sure that the hole is really well done. Put it in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put back the screws here around and then tie up this belt. Once we've done that, that's it. That's how you change a belt. Everything is easy peasy, and then you're good to go, guys. So hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow us, and then put the little bell so you don't miss any other video in the future. Make sure that these videos are being shared. It helps a lot our cause. It helps a lot our channel to be able to grow, have more sponsors to give us product, and be able to give them away to us, to do some giveaways to the followers on our channel. Hopefully, guys, you like this video as well. Share it with your friends so we can keep growing as a channel. We're going to be bringing a lot more content coming in, so make sure that you subscribe and click the little bell so you don't miss the future video as well. And if you guys are interested to go for a ride with us, it's really easy. Put it on the comments, or follow me on Instagram. I post our rides really often. So every time that we go for a ride, I will post it there. So make sure you follow us and everything, so that way you don't miss any future ride with us. So if you want to ride with us, you can come on. Same for the guys that doesn't have a Razor or a Can-Am or a UTV. I've been selecting a couple people that want to have this experience and have them actually hop on our vehicle. So if you guys are interested, make sure you put that in the comments. I will be in touch with you guys so we can do a couple of rides together. So hopefully, guys, you like this video as well. Keep sharing, put a little like. As you can see, changing a belt is really easy. I have a couple of belts, the really strong belts, that are available on my Amazon store. Hopefully you can actually click on the Amazon store and buy you a really strong belt. We have the AOMs as well, but I recommend the Evolution Power Sports. Those are really strong. They do an excellent job. So if you guys are interested, I have a couple of them on my Amazon store. So make sure you click on the link below in the comments and get you a pair of belts. Always try to get a belt, extra belt on your vehicle. You never know when it's going to blow up, and this kind of things help a lot. It's really easy to change that on the route. It takes you roughly 20 minutes, and it's allow you to get back on the road and be able to continue riding. So hopefully, guys, you stay together, have some fun, and then see you out there on the different trails.